Get lost in a world where the music play. My body's reacting to the things I say. I feel the beat, a journalist on his way. I feel it in my veins. I get on this lyric and people wanna know my name. Rain. Now there you go. Now you know who I be when I spit my flow. I started up fast and then I ended slow. And some say I'm crazy. I do too, 'cause lately my body's raging insanely. Ain't no turning now, so ain't no burning now. Are you learning now? Nah, so let me educate you. Call me a teacher. I speak tongue rap. I'm also a preacher. I'm only human, but I sound like a creature. My words sharp and deadly. Now watch me cut it deeper. These rappers suck ass. They need someone neater. They lost all these skills, so find us keepers. Let me wipe them off. Hand me a sweeper. Remove the dirty dust. Clean up them boys. Leave the stage spotless as I bring the noise. And if they wanna play around, then let me bring the toys and watch me break it, leave it all in pieces. But it doesn't stop there. Now let me see you cease this. Give them some glasses, make them look a nerd, just for all the classes. Learn the rap work, looking all geeky and shit, but you still fail. Like the taste of your style, it tastes stale. Yeah, that's cold, like when snow turns to hail. I'm a storyteller, I call yours a fairy tale. And the ending of that, it'll never come. Cause when it comes to my stories, it's like number one. And I make series and series, so I'm never done. Like a suspect on my pages of rap, I'm on the run. The story never get too old till I die. And when that happens, I will fly like the angel of death right in front of your eyes. Play my game and I'm a Ouija board. Asking the wrong questions, see me say goodbye, but there's always more. Now watch out.